Welcome back to Future Circuit, where we track the devices that shape the year before the year shapes them. This is not just another smartphone. This is power, precision, intelligence. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the future of mobile innovation. A stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display stretches edge to edge, delivering breathtaking color, ultra-smooth 120Hz motion, and crystal-clear resolution. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or creating, every swipe feels effortless. Crafted with a premium titanium frame and ultra-slim bezels, this device looks as powerful as it performs. Under the hood, the next-generation Snapdragon processor unleashes unmatched speed, multitasking becomes seamless. High-performance gaming feels effortless. AI-powered optimization adapts to your usage in real time, making the S26 Ultra smarter every single day. And then, there's the camera. A groundbreaking 200-megapixel main sensor captures details you didn't even know existed. Advanced periscope zoom brings distant subjects closer with stunning clarity. Night photography, brighter, sharper, cleaner. And with 8K video recording, your memories look cinematic every single time. A massive 5,000 mAh battery powers your entire day, work, entertainment, gaming, and everything in between. And when you need to recharge, super fast charging gets you back in action in minutes, not hours. Galaxy AI transforms how you interact with your phone. Edit photos with intelligent object removal. Summarize long texts instantly. Translate conversations in real time. This isn't just smart, it's next-level intelligent. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement, it's innovation in your hands. It's the Ultra experience, redefined.